Good. Just cover your ears.
Turn around and cover his ears.
Dad, put me back up.
He wants to see how he's
Oh, God.
your children. They're covering their ears. What? Oh, that was pretty. Are you vlogging?
What's going to record anyway? Okay, listen.
You're mean. I ain't even gonna have a vlog.
I'm sure you will.
Put him on that side so I can.
Huh?
Put him on that side of the front seat so he can. Put him in the front of the van. If you take a cute picture for me and Justin, I'll take a cute picture for you and Jason. Watch the fireworks, y'all. I just need one picture.
Okay, he's in there with the windows up. As looking out the window.
Woo! Jason, I'm photographer. He's gonna let me hit that cigarette. We just have to watch the fireworks. Fair will be better. Fair. Take a picture of me and Justin kissing, but take it when there's a firework going on, okay? I'm gonna kill you. Come here. You better hurry up. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, everybody look. There wasn't a firework. 1, 2, 3. I got it. End of it. I want it to be like right in the middle.
Do they?
I keep getting like late. I can do it. I'll do it then. Ready? Look, if you look.
You're going to flash on you can see it.
Okay, I gotta get back. Oh, I'm good at it.
You still didn't get a flash.
We got it. Not mine. So pretty. Y'all.
Alright, we are missing the whole thing.
Okay.